Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. I have another unboxing for you guys, and this time is from this company out of the UK, Net-a-Porter. Every few months or every season they will come out with a new beauty kit, and this time they came out with 2 summer beauty kits. Finally got it, and it does come in a big box like this. Now, the reason why it's in this big box is because I ordered both of them. I'm assuming if you just get one, it will be in a smaller box. And inside this box, there is a bag. A nice big bag right here. Drawstring bag. I'm going to put this box aside, and actually I will reuse this box because this will be great for those big items like blankets or big sweaters for Christmas, or those toys that just can't wrap by itself without a box. So yeah, I'm going to keep this box for a gift, to put my gifts in. And here is the bag, has Net-a-Porter on it. I'll keep this bag too. Nice drawstring bag. And let's pull out these 2 beauty kits. Here's one, and here's the other one. So now that I got the box and the bag out of the way, let me give you some information about these beauty kits. Like I said, there are 2 of them, and they're for the summer. One is called the Summer Refresh Beauty Kit, and the other one is the Summer Savior Beauty Kit. They each cost $90, and I believe there are 10 products in each bag worth, and I kind of priced it out kind of roughly, and then when I open it up, I will really look at it and see, because I could be mistaken with if it's a full-size product or a travel-size product. So once I open this up, hopefully I can get a little bit more of the price it costs. But with my rough estimate, each one of these are worth over $450. So not bad. And both of these do come in a nice packing cube, nice sturdy one. Great for travel when we get to travel again. Net-a-Porter is out of the UK, so it does take a little bit longer to get here to the States. It took about 10 business days, 10 to 14 business days. And as of today, they are still available on their website. Again, these do cost $90 each, and there's also a $10 shipping fee. I know that may be a lot, but I didn't reach the threshold to get the free shipping. I think it was $220 or $250. And I just got these 2 kits, and that's $180, and I didn't need anything else to get the free shipping, so I went ahead and paid the $10. Sometimes it's not worth adding another $50, $60, $70 to get $10 off. But let's go ahead and open the Summer Refresh Beauty Kit first. Really do like these packing cubes. It's sturdy and it's see-through, so you can see what products or clothing that you have packed in here. And I think I priced this from last Net-a-Porter unboxing as about $20 or $25. Right, and it does come with a little booklet that gives you information about the products that are in here, which is very appreciative. And let's go ahead and pull out these 2 products here. It's from this brand called Persoma, I believe that's the name of it. The Beauty Wellness brand, and it's the Savasana soak. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And you do get 2 of them. So let me look here and give you some information about this product. With a blend of natural sea kelp and algae, this indulgent bath soak helps detox the system and soothe any tension. And these cost $20 each, and I thought we were getting 1 in this kit, but now we have 2, so I need to add another $20 in the total. And forgot to mention that you do get 4 ounces of product in here. So I wonder if this would be enough for 2 baths maybe. Let's pull this product out. It's in a little Ziploc bag, which is nice so nothing spills out. And we have something that I've tried before, the Philip Kingsley, and this is the swim cap. Actually, I haven't tried the swim cap before. I've tried his elasticizer. A summer must-have, this water-resistant cream protects hair against damage from seawater, chlorine, and UV. And this is the full-size product, which is 2.53 fluid ounce. And I priced this one at $29. Another product that's in a Ziploc baggie. And let's see what we got here. It's from this brand I haven't heard of before, One Ocean. The Ultra Hydrating Algae Oil. Let me read about this one. That sounds interesting. This Luxe Light Oil does double duty. Use it to deeply hydrate dry skin and to treat sun-dried hair. Oh, okay. So you do it on your skin and hair. I'm looking at the box here, and it says that it includes soothing seaweed originally from the coast of New Zealand, plus microalgae oil are infused in this multitasking oil for the skin and hair. Okay. So this one is a full size, 1 fluid ounce, and this is $72. Wow. All right, next it looks like we have hair ties. And they put this one in a little Ziploc bag too. Okay. You get a black and a white hair tie, and it's from this brand Silk from London. These elasticated pure silk ties keep your hair back and won't leave it tangled or knotted. And on the card it says it's the Cleopatra set. Since I am Egyptian, this is a nice little touch there. And a 2-pack costs $6.50. All right, let's grab this big box here. It's from U Beauty, and it's the Sculpt Arm Compound, okay? A staple for your warm weather wardrobe, this unique body treatment helps firm, depuff, and contour bare arms, while also treating skin quality in the long term. So this will sculpt my arm. All right, let's look at my arm here. It's kind of flabby there. Let me tighten it up. Okay. Wow. This one's $98. This is the full size and it's 4 fluid ounce. All right, you better sculpt my arms for $98. So pretty much this paid for this kit by itself. Because I don't think I'd pay $98 for this product. I mean, honestly. Unless it does sculpt my arms, then maybe. But I'm glad it was in this beauty kit for me to try. Because I don't think I would have paid full price for that. Next, we have something from Oribe, the Mystifying Restyling Spray. And I just finished this. This did show up in my empties, in my last empties. This hard-working hairspray revives and re-energizes next day hair and protects it against damage from hot styling tools. You do get 1.7 ounce and I priced this approximately $13. Next, we have this big box from Sunday Riley and it's the CEO Glow. You take the plastic off and here's the box. This beautiful serum oil visibly brightens the skin while deeply nourishing it. So it does have advanced vitamin C, turmeric, and evening primrose to visibly brighten, hydrate, balance, and glow the skin. You do get half an ounce of product in here, and this one costs approximately $35. We have another big box, and this is by Suzanne Kaufman, the Cleansing Gel. Now, I have tried one of her shower oils. Beautiful oil to use in the shower for your skin. This gel with alpine herb extracts leaves skin ultra clean, soft, and comfortable. This is the full size cleanser, 3.4 fluid ounce, and this one costs $45. Next we have something, I believe it's makeup. It's by Wonder Beauty, and it's the Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Perfect for a day in the heat, this long-wearing, water-resistant mascara seriously thickens and lengthens the lash. So that's good. It's waterproof. And let's see, this is the full size, and this one costs $25. And the last product we have in here, it's in a gold box. It's by Tata Harper, and it's the Concentrating Brightening Serum. Now, I have heard some good things about the serum. And let's see what the serum does. Packed with potent botanicals, this beautifully textured serum is a summer essential. It protects skin against pigmentation and discoloration. It does come nicely packed. That's a small bottle. You get 1/3 of an ounce of this, which is 0.33, and this one costs $125. There is a full size, which is 1 ounce, and that one costs $345. So if you've been wanting to try this serum, this is not a bad box to get. For a product that costs $125, and you get this box for $90, and you get all the other products for free. So let me readjust my total because there were 2 of those bath soaks in here and I counted for 1. $90 for this box, and there are 10 products in here, which technically 11 because you want to count the little packing cube. So for all of these, it's $508.50. Without the packing cube, it's $488.50. This is a pretty good box because I had been wanting to try this serum, but didn't want to pay $345 for a full size, but now we have a 3rd size, and I believe Nordstrom does sell this size for $125. And pretty much want to try the other things too. I mean, I want to see if this arm sculpt or this sculpt arm compound would really sculpt my arms. I don't know. I'm not gonna have high hopes for that, but we'll play along. And the Sunday Riley oil and this One Ocean algae oil, that's interesting to try. And of course, tried other products from it like Philip Kingsley and Oribe and the Silk Ties and just among other things. But yeah, this is a good one. Now let's see what the other one has. Let me go ahead and move this out of the way and then we'll start with the other one. Now let's open the Summer Saviours Beauty Kit. And again, this is $90. It also comes in the clear travel pouch. And let's pull out this little bitty product here. It's by Eve Lom, and it's the cleansing balm, which I have used her cleansing balm before, and this is a nice little travel size, and it does come with a muslin cloth. Deservedly famous for leaving the skin beautifully clean, comfortable, and healthy, and for being the world's first balm cleanser. I didn't know that. This sets the bar for really effective skin cleansing. And this is a nice cleansing balm, and how I do it after I clean my makeup off with micellar water, then I'll just grab like maybe a nickel size amount and then apply it to my dry skin. Then I'll get the cloth and put it in warm water and apply it to my skin, and it just takes the makeup off. Next, we have something from Summer Fridays, and I have seen this brand before. I've seen that they have masks, but let's see what this one is. This is a CC serum. This serum contains 2 types of vitamin C along with squalene to hydrate plus antioxidants to protect. So this is the full-size product, which is 1 ounce, and this one costs $64. Let's grab this little box. It's by Dr. Laura Devgan. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's a platinum lip plump, and it does have an SPF of 30. Okay. Rich in lip plumping collagen and ceramides, this medical grade treatment deeply hydrates, smooths, and protects while giving lips visible volume. This is the full size, which 0.3 mils, I believe, and this lip plumping serum costs $50. Okay, let's see if you do plump my lips. Next, we have something from Revitalash. It's the Advanced Eyelash Conditioner. Now, I know people have sworn by this, but I don't use products like this. I do use their shampoo and conditioner by Revitalash. Do love that one. But let's read and see what this one does. Iconic and award-winning. This is the secret to fuller, thicker, and longer lashes. So you do get 20 mils of product in here, and this one's priced at $100. Now, for me, I will not use this, so I will put it in a future giveaway. Next, let's get this tube here, and where is this from? I believe the brand is Cosmodor. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's the E1 Essential Vanilla. That's what I got here. Let me look at the card. Yeah, it's the E/1 Essential Care Vanilla. Made from a vegan blend of sesame oil, shea butter, and apple and raspberry extracts, this beautifully textured cream transforms dull, ultra dry skin on face or hands. Okay, so we got a hand cream here. This is the full size, and it costs $47. Next, we got this heavy box, and it's by Amanda Harrington of London, and it's the Ultimate Gradual Tan. Now, as you can see, another product that I will not be using and will be putting in a future giveaway because I don't need a tan. But let's read about it anyway. Famous for giving A-listers the perfect red carpet glow, this easy-to-use gradual tan builds incredible color without the usual streaks or patchiness. So the A-listers use this. Let me see how much this one costs. This is the full size, which is 6.1 fluid ounce, and this one costs $40. Next, we have something from Cora Organics, which I have used this brand before. And what do we have here? It's the Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. Love masking. This contains fruit enzymes that soften skin and turmeric, which gives dull complexion and instant glow. This one is a full size, which is 3.34 fluid ounce, and this one costs $48. And this would be a nice product to try. Love masking, especially ones that kind of brightens my skin. All right, and next we have something from Oskia. I believe that's how you pronounce this brand. Tried a couple of their products before, which I really do like their mask. And this one seems to be another tanning product, I believe. It's a Nutra Bronze Tinted Serum. Okay, so it's a tinted serum. The Smart Serum is packed with actives to treat the skin while also adding a pretty sheer glow. Blend as a highlighter, use all over, or mix a drop into your moisturizer or foundation. You get 30 mils of product, which is 1 fluid ounce, and this one costs, let's see here, $91. Wow. I think I may put this also in a future giveaway because some of these tinted serums do look a little ashy on me, so I'm not going to even open it. Next, we have something small. This is by Shauna Darden, I believe that's how you pronounce this brand. The Retinol Reform, I believe that's the name of this product. She has an LA clinic that has an A-list clientele and is renowned for transforming skin. This potent serum helps you achieve those same incredible results at home. So the full size of it, which is 1 ounce, is $88. And this one you do get 1/3 of an ounce. So 1/3 of 88, almost $30 maybe? Yeah, because say 88, say if it's 90, then 1/3 of that would be $30. So yeah, roughly approximately $30 for this product. All right, the last product here is this box. It's by Joanna Vargas, and it's the Glow to Go Mask Set. Let's see here. Looks like you get 5 masks. You get an Instant Lift face mask, Forever Glow anti-aging face mask, Bright Eye mask, a Twilight face mask, and a Dawn face mask. So you get 4 face masks and 1 eye mask in here. A genius collection of 5 powered packed sheet mask treatments for a clearer, more radiant complexion from one of the world's best facialists. Okay, so she is a world's best facialist, Joanna Vargas. And that is it with the Summer Saviours Kit. And let me price everything in this one because when I first saw it, I thought that there was 1 mask in here. 1 face mask and 1 eye mask. I didn't know there would be 5. And I believe the 5-pack is $75. So let me kind of recount everything, and let me let you know how much this bag is worth. I re-added everything up in the Saviours Beauty Kit, and this bag is worth $557.50, not counting this bag. So if we add another $20 in that, that would be $577. This is approximately $20. That's what I remember from last time. I don't see it on their website, so I'm just guessing on that. So a little bit more than the Refresh Beauty Kit. And actually, I think I like the products in there better than in here. I think because it has the Revitalash serum that I won't use, and the Ultimate Gradual Tan and the Tinted Serum. So yeah, I do have 3 products here that I won't use, but it'll be put to good use in a future giveaway. But I do like the sheet mask and this by Cora Organics, this brightening and exfoliating mask. Love the little travel size cleanser. Want to see if this plump my lips, and a hand cream and a CC cream. So yeah, there's some good products in here. But for me, I like the other one better. So yeah, with this one, you do get a little bit more of pricier products in here. But I think for me, I prefer the Summer Refresh Beauty Bag. I like the products in there more. Well, alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Net-a-Porter Beauty Kits. The Summer Refresh Beauty Kit and the Summer Savior Beauty Kit. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.